here at the entrance of the famous Victoria Falls. So this is gonna be fun. This is the second section where the first fall is at. You can see the river here. It's supposed to be around 40% here in Victoria Falls. You can see the mist coming up from the falls. This place is unbelievable, fantastic. So glad, happy to be here. Look at this. We can see a beautiful rainbow coming up from the bottom. What a beautiful thing from nature here at Big Falls in Zimbabwe. This is the third section of it. Well, it says number 2, but we're gonna go check it out down there. We just gotta go down these steps, and they're very wet, so you gotta be careful here. But we can already have this majestic view of the falls. Unbelievable. Al lugar principal para la observación de las cascadas. Tenemos esta primera aquí, ven qué impresionante. So happy to be here in Victoria Falls. Look at this wonder of nature. Unbelievable. Look at these magnificent waterfalls here in Victoria Falls. We're getting close to the main falls. Just past first one, and this is the main falls right here, and this is probably the best part of the year to come here if you ever want to come, because they're not so full, so you can actually see them. So that's the great part of it. Unbelievable place, incredible. What a gorgeous place here in Zimbabwe, look at it. Woo, it's raining! Ow. It's great to be alive, look at this. Right at the Victoria Falls. August 23rd, 2022. Here we are. Zimbabwe, Victoria Falls.